Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some St. Andrew's Day bingo cards using software called Bingo Card Printer, which you can download from bingocardprinter.com. The software is compatible with all recent versions of Windows on the PC including Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8, and there's a free trial version which you can download and try out for free before deciding if you want the full version. St. Andrew's Day, as you know, is the National Day of Scotland, so we're going to create bingo cards with words and phrases relating to Scotland and St. Andrew. So first of all, I click Create New Bingo Card Project, and I have a choice of which kind of template I'd like to use as my starting point. I could use templates as they are without any further alteration. So I've got alphabet, numbers, standard American bingo cards, and I've got different topics here like English, food, geography, history. If I look in history, for example, see American Civil War, American Revolution, ancient Egypt, and so forth. And if I go to holidays, there is actually a template in the newest version of the software specifically for St. Andrew's Day. So I'm going to select that one, either double click on it or click on it once and click OK, and I can use that as it is, or I can start customizing it. So for example, I could add to the list of words that can appear on the bingo card the word kilt. So I'll type it in here, and you'll see it's at the bottom of the list. The list at the moment is in the order they're entered. There are tools for rearranging the order. For example, I can sort it into alphabetical order. The sample bingo card here, it shows the words in the same order as in this preview. In the real bingo cards, when I print them out, the words will be arranged randomly so that every bingo card is different. There are also tools for changing the size of the bingo card here. You can see I can choose 3x3, 4x4, 5x5 and so on. So if we choose the largest size, 7x7, you'll see an example. It's a big bingo card. I haven't entered enough words to fill out a 7x7 bingo card, but that shows you what it can do. I can choose whether or not to have a heading on the bingo card. I could change the text of the heading if I wanted to, choose whether or not to have this special free space square in the middle, and I can change the text of it. So I'll turn it off, I don't really want it. And I can also choose the colours and fonts of the bingo card. So for example, I could make a nice Scottish theme with a diagonal cross, and let's say the background of the first background colour is blue, the second background colour is white, then we have white writing blue, blue writing on white, and we'll make the heading, let's make that yellow with blue writing, and we'll make the lines also yellow. So if I click OK, I've got a nice sort of Scottish flag thing. If I was to add more words, I could use that 7x7, so I'm going to go to a smaller bingo card size. So unfortunately it doesn't look quite as good across when you've only got a few squares, but anyway, it's the right colours, blue and yet white is the Scottish colours. Okay, so let's say I'm now ready to print my bingo cards. I'll look at the printing options here. The first option is whether or not to print a call list. That's basically this list of words in a random order. If you're using the bingo cards in a classroom situation or something like that, it's very handy to have that printed reference to refer to. You can turn it off if you don't want it, but I will leave it on to show you what it looks like. You can also get the software to help you choose items at random during the game, which I'll also show you at the end of the video, or you can of course draw the words out of a hat or something like that if you want. The second option here is how many bingo cards to print per page. If I choose one per page, each sheet of paper has only got one bingo card on it. It's quite a big bingo card. If I'm printing a lot, that wastes a lot of paper. What I could do is print more than one per page, and then I can generate the same number of bingo cards with less paper. So for example, if I printed 4 per page, they'd get 4 slightly smaller bingo cards on each page, and if I'm giving out 1 to each person, I'd save the paper that way. I'd use only a quarter as much paper, although I would have to cut the paper up to give them individual bingo cards out. But we'll stick to 1 so you can see what's happening. And finally, how many bingo cards do I want to print? And remember, every bingo card will be different, so this is the real power of the software. If I put in 100, I'm going to generate 100 different bingo cards. Now normally at this point you would do print, but I'm going to do print preview so you can see on screen what the printout looks like. First page, as I mentioned, is a call list. That's a list of words in random order. If I do next, you'll see the first bingo card. I'll zoom out so you can see the entire card here. And if you do next again, you'll see the next bingo card is different. Every bingo card is a different arrangement of the words according to the settings that I made earlier. So that's basically it. If I close the print preview, I will just show this last option here, call game. Another alternative to using the call list is to get the software to choose items for you. So it will choose one word, show you large screen here, and show you the current word and any previous words on the left hand side. So when I click next, choose a new word, and then it will show the current word and the previous word there. And next you'll see the new word is bagpipes, and then the previous two underneath it, and so on and so on and so on. So that's it. The software is called Bingo Card Printer. The website is bingocardprinter.com. It's compatible with all recent versions of Windows on the PC. There's a free trial download. It comes with hundreds of ready-to-use bingo templates for different activities. Go to the website, download it, try it out, and I'm sure you will enjoy it. Thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed the video.